Morning, YouTube. It's currently 5:32 a.m. and I'm getting ready to go to the gym, and I'm gonna get picked up, get a workout in with one of my boys, and yeah, it's gonna be a chest day. So hope you guys tag along with me and enjoy this video. All right, YouTube, we're ready for the gym. All I have to do is wait for my route for these guys to come, and yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna vlog too much of the workout. It's just gonna be a little quick clips, just because I wanna focus more on the barber stuff on this page. So I'll still be posting gym content. It's just right now I'm more focused on the actual barbering content right now. So there's gonna be some quick clips, and then I'm gonna take you throughout my day of what I'm gonna be doing. But right now, since I'm waiting on my ride, I'll be editing a little bit, maybe 15 minutes before they come, and catch you guys in a bit once they get here, and you guys will stay tuned for who this guest is. All right, you two just got picked up.
Give me more points? Wait,
wow. Look who we got here.
Oh, wow.
Look who we got here. You been on the bulk, Omar, or what? Where's Omar?
Right here.
You been on the bulk?
The book?
I have. Woo! What do you think of chest day?
It was good.
Yeah.
Chest day's always good. Look at this guy. You think he likes chest day?
How was your chest day, sir? How about we show the camera how your chest day was? That was a little clip for you guys. Chest day. About to hit the sauna.
Melt your tits. Time to melt your tits.
And it's it's time to melt your tits, like what he said.
Melt,
Are you gonna
melt
hit the
that gyno off your body.
Are you gonna hit the sauna?
No.
Why not?
Cause
You're on the limbo. About a Sauna Max. Sauna Max with the one and only. Alright, YouTube. That was the end of this workout. And it's a great workout. About to head home, get ready, and head to work. There's a full book today. It's Friday. You guys probably will be seeing this maybe Monday or Thursday, depends how fast I edit this. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. YouTube, just got back home. I'm about to get ready, showered, all that stuff, and head to the barbershop. Like I mentioned, I do have a full book today, so let's get ready and knock these clients down. And yeah, I'll be recording a little bit of process of that, and it's arrived. Get the day started. Got my monster in hand. A full book today. Get ready for the day. Back after back.
then I would shower before you. Okay. And then I'm like, I'm sorry, bro. I can't say you because I thought about it. I was like,
My boy's back to life. Yes, sir. My boy got fresh. Yeah. So I got two more people. And it's currently what? 6:37. And the band pulled up. So over here. Playing. Stop by for a band, but I still have one more and then another one at 7:30. One should be pulling up right now, but he hasn't gotten here. I should be out of here by 9 latest. And yeah, I haven't had anything but a water, some monster. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in a bit.
yeah, we're doing deep already, man. Deep already, too.
It was the end of the day, YouTube. Just finished my last one. So, about to go home, finally eat. And yeah, honestly, eat because I haven't ate shit. And I'm tired from standing up the whole time. And probably have to edit some videos just because I do gotta upload on Monday. And I got a few videos to edit, so I'm trying to catch up and just finish a lot of things I gotta get done. So I'm currently at the bank, YouTube, and I'm here about to just deposit my cash just so it is the end of the last day of the month, so I want to get everything that I made in there. And people say it's not good to put in your cash or whatever, but if you're trying to be bankable in the future and to banks, you gotta have at least a track of what you're making and consistently as well, because if you're hiding, like you're only reporting a little bit that, keeping the cash or whatever it might be. I'm not saying it's not gonna go well for you, but honestly, I think it's best to report most of it just so, you're able to have a nice little, what do you call it, like a track, and the banks like to see a nice steady income. So in the future, whatever your plans might be, buy a house or, a business loan, whatever it may be, you're more bankable and you're able to get more of a bigger loan. Just got home, about to go enter and eat, man. I'm so fucking hungry. Just can't wait to eat. Sit down a bit and edit because I need to get shit done. You see, YouTube, I already got ahead of myself and I started eating. It's currently what time is it? 9:50. 9:55 p.m. You guys saw I woke up at 5. I don't know if you guys saw, but I woke up at 5. And I haven't ate anything since. It was a long day today, hard working, and I for sure gonna get to editing today because I have to get some videos done and just things I gotta get done. So I'm gonna try to knock out I want to say everything because I'm not gonna finish everything today, but a lot of it, and then honestly go to sleep and wake up tomorrow and do the same thing over. Tomorrow is another book day. You guys like this video? You guys like the vlog? You guys want me to make more content like this, more tutorials, whatever you guys want to watch? Leave a comment in the comment section below. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And it was a long day today. Still got things to get done, and yeah, just get up and do it. And I'm grateful for you guys to be joining me along this journey. Hope you guys like this video. It's Angel Barber, and I'll see you on the next video. See you guys.